That shit is good.
No doubt. Here we go, one off, one going on. This way, I can take the rest of them off and ain't gonna mess with us. See, some of these don't even want to come out because they stick. These are your old ones, and I'll show you the difference. I'll show you the difference. Look at that, and look at that. And this is putting it back on.
That is a difference. Feels like loose.
What? No. Not when it starts going on. You gotta get it on. Is that the old one? No. Oh, that's the new one. No, that's just. Remember the threads were messed up from a couple of your old ones?
Yeah.
That was one of them.
How come this looks deeper?
That's what gotta come off.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Holy fuck.
Look at that.
Wow.
Very
I
nice.
went to car wash to try to wash that off. I couldn't wash it off.
Well, we'll get her. Watch when we get done.